Hi, are you an aspiring IT professional looking to have a distinct competitive advantage that will help get your resume noticed by employers? Look no further, as I'm here to talk about CompTIA A+, the international IT certification for anyone who wants to establish a career in IT. The CompTIA A+ is an entry-level qualification in the information technology industry that is globally accepted as the industry standard and often used to start a career in IT or tech. Here is a list of potential roles that require CompTIA A+. What's more, A+ is trusted by employers and have received positive feedback from IT professionals all over the world. And it covers the skills including hardware, networking, operating systems, software troubleshooting, and security, among others. It only takes 5 days' worth of training to prepare you for 2 sets of exams, which you can take months after the train. Each exam covers different subjects and has different passing scores on a scale of 900. It also has a maximum of 90 questions, which vary from multiple choice to performance-based, and takes 90 minutes to complete. As an added benefit, you get to choose the mode of delivery that works best for you. Training can be delivered online or on-site, and you can get tested at any Pearson VUE authorized testing centers like bneXt Innovation Academy. We at bneXt Innovation Academy have been providing over 20 years of on-demand trainings and certifications, including CompTIA. To help you in your A+ journey, here are some tips on how to pass an exam. First, you must know which mode of delivery works for you, whether online or on-site. You also have to leverage the training resources provided by your trainer and consider being early and mentally prepared before taking the exam. If you believe CompTIA A+ is the right certification for you, then go and reach us at learning@bnext.tech. As a proud partner of CompTIA in the Philippines, we can offer you A+ as well as their other training and certifications. What are you waiting for? Join over thousands of professionals that choose bneXt Innovation Academy for their training and certification needs and experience world-class quality training that only we can deliver. See you at our next CompTIA train. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest tech trainings and certifications for you.